One of the really important things that we think about is atmosphere in a classroom, because we think it really helps people relax and learn better. Not just gifted and talented students, but everybody. And we think that was one of the really good things that you put in the class.
In some lessons we found that students don't really talk about the task in hand, whereas I think your lessons have really engaged your students, and that all the talk was very work-related about their calculators and about what they were finding difficult.
On top of the atmosphere, the programme upon the board was very good. It wasn't too overpowering, because we have found that PowerPoint can be a bit dull, but you used it quite appropriately.
Fantastic. Yes, when we were going around, I spoke to a few of the students and asked them what they thought of the PowerPoint, and they said that the way that you use the PowerPoint is a very good way, because some teachers just sort of have it to say, and it just says what the learning objective is and everything, and it isn't very interactive. But the way you use it, you have a very good way of including the smartboard into it, and the students really like that. One thing that we think, from what we've watched, that could be improved upon in most lessons is choice, because we never find much choice in the lessons, and when we've spoken to pupils, they've said that they would like choice, but sometimes they would like to be told what to do, but maybe just an element of choice now and then.
One other thing you could do in this particular lesson, there wasn't an awful lot of writing work, and I know a lot of students find it boring, but a little bit more helps them to kind of write down their own ideas and gives them something to write about.
Okay. Do you think that needs to be done every lesson, or do you think it can be today we investigate it and tomorrow we write about it? What do you think?
I think it's important to have a little bit of writing in every lesson. It gives them something to do rather than just sitting there with their necks up watching the board. But it is important to have some diversity in the lessons.
In lesson today, we saw a lot of trial and error, mostly with the calculators. And I think the students, from what we saw, really enjoyed the use of the calculators, because they looked as if they weren't quite sure about them, but they liked the thought of using them. And it seemed that the more they did the trial and error during the lesson, the more confident they became. So I think that was a really good teaching point.
Thank you.